Use this screen to purge already updated T-sheets from history up to a specific date. Note that the information purged will not appear on tea time reports. Select your club, and for the golf course, select a specific course or all courses, and enter a date to purge up to this date. The last time a purge was performed and the oldest T-sheet currently on file will be noted on screen. Once you're ready, click Purge History, and in the pop-up confirmation, click Yes to proceed. This program will purge edit logs that are maintained whenever changes are made to reservations. Select your club and set the starting and ending dates to purge the edit logs. The last time a purge was performed will be noted on screen. Once you're ready, click Purge Edit Logs, and in the pop-up confirmation, click Yes to proceed. When viewing the lookup list in the T-sheet maintenance program, do you find yourself having to do a lot of scrolling? Do you have open T-sheets from 5 or more years ago? The lookup list can be shortened by running the end-of-day processing to close any open T-sheets for the day. If you do not close your T-sheets, they will continue to appear in your lookup list. To close a T-sheet, navigate to Tea Time Management, Processing, and End-of-Day Processing. Select your club, and for the golf course option, set to Selected Golf Course or All Golf Courses. If you want to close multiple T-sheets at once, set the T-sheet date option to T-sheet date range and enter the starting and ending T-sheet dates. From here, leave the processing option at Preview Report and click OK to run. Once everything looks good with the report, you can switch your processing option over to Close T-sheet to close those T-sheets. For more information on how to run the end-of-day processing, watch the video titled Tea Time Management End-of-Day Processing. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.